Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about notification for PhD admission July session 2021. So this notification has come from IIT, NIT and Triple IT. So let's see the details one by one. So the first institute is NIT Andhra Pradesh. So you can see on the screen, this is the official website of National Institute of Technology Andhra Pradesh. Here the advertisement are given. So when you click on this detailed advertisement link, you will get a information brochure, and here all the details are given here. So the candidate for full time and part time, both candidates can apply, and what will be the eligibility criteria you can see here. For full time candidate, they should have master degree in engineering technology or master degree by research in engineering technology in appropriate branch. Okay, and candidate who belongs to unreserved EWS OBC non-creamy layer candidate must have 60% marks, or CGPA should be 6.5 either at UG or PG level. Okay, and for SC ST candidate, PWD candidates 55% marks, and 6.0 CGPA is required either at UG or PG level. Okay, and for part-time candidate applying for part-time PhD in engineering branch should satisfy all the criteria listed below. Candidates should be working on a regular basis on reputed research organization, academic institution, industries with a minimum experience of 2 years, and they should have master degree in engineering technology or master degree by research in engineering or technology. And the candidate who belongs to unreserved EWS OBC non-creamy layer category must have 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA at UG or PG level, and the candidate for SC ST PWD, they should have 55% aggregate marks and or 6.0 CGPA either at UG or PG level. And the eligibility criteria for English department are given here. The candidate who are applying for English department and the science department, they can check the details. Okay, you can see the eligibility criteria for PhD program in management also. Okay, and selection procedure we can see here. The selection procedure will be written test or interview. Okay, and fee structure are given here. You can see the fee structure. Okay, and what is the application fee for general, OBC and EWS category candidate have to pay rupees 1000, and for SC ST PW category candidate have to pay 500. Okay, and the last date for submission of online application is 10th June 2021. Okay, so guys, you have time till now. If you have not applied, then you can apply. Okay, so in this category, the next institute is Indian Institute of Technology Goa. So as you can see here, this is the official website of IIT Goa, and here the last date for applying is 15 June 2021. So if you want to check the complete advertisement, you can click here. When you click here, you can see the information brochure. Okay, and you can see all the details. Minimum eligibility criteria should be 6.0 CGPA or 60% marks are required in master degree, and the candidate who have BTech MSc engineering technology candidate should have 70% marks or 7.0 CGPA, and for SC ST candidate they should have 55% marks in aggregate or 5.5 CGPA, and for BTech MSc engineering technology candidate they should have 6.5 CGPA and 65% marks in aggregate. Okay, IIT BTech and MTech degree holder candidate, they should have 8 CGPA. Okay, and eligibility criteria are given here for science stream. Okay, you can check the information thoroughly. Okay, and when you scroll down, area of specialization you can see here for science department as well as engineering department, you can see. Okay, and SC ST PWD category candidates have to pay 50 rupees, and all other candidates have to pay 100 rupees, and female candidates have to pay 50 rupees. Okay, and how you have to pay, you can see here. Okay, so this is the information which has come from IIT Goa. And for part-time category candidates, detail separate advertisement are given here. So for part-time PhD candidate have separate advertisement given here. When you click on this link, you can see the information. Okay, so you can check the information thoroughly and you can apply. Okay, all the information are given here. I will provide the link in the description box. You can check the information. If you are eligible and interested, then you can apply. Okay, so in this category we will next so in this category, and the next institute is triple IT Kurnool. You can see here that this is the official homepage of Triple IT Kurnool, and this institute also released the notification for PhD program for July session. Here the advertisement given. When you click on this advertisement link, you can get the information brochure. So this institute is providing the PhD program admission for full-time and part-time candidates. Education and qualification eligibility, you can see here. For full-time PhD admission, applicants holding master degree and masters by research degree in engineering, technology, mathematics, physics, English in appropriate branch of study with minimum 60% marks, or more than 6.5 CGPA either at UG or PG level. Okay, and you can see the department here. Various departments are given here: computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, mathematics, physics, English, and corresponding eligibility criteria are given here. So you can see here. The candidate who have bachelor degree, they should have 8.0 CGPA and valid GATE score, and the candidate should have also 6.5 CGPA, more than 6.5 CGPA. So the candidate who have a bachelor degree from IIT, they should have 8.0 CGPA, and bachelor degree holder in engineering technology from any other university with a valid GATE score at least a CGPA of 8.0 and 75% marks under general OBC category, and at least 7.5 CGPA for SC/ST candidates PWD category, and bachelor degree holder in engineering technology from a reputed research and development organization with excellent research record with a minimum 60% aggregate marks or more than 6.5 CGPA. And for part-time PhD admission, applicant eligibility criteria are given here. They can also check, and the department also given here. Various department: computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, science. Okay, and corresponding eligibility criteria are given here. So the candidate who are interested, they can check the information and apply. So what is the fee? You can see here. General OBC candidate have to pay 500, and for SC/ST PWD candidates have to pay 250 rupees. Okay, and if you talk about the important dates, so you can see here. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for further such kind of information. Okay, and thank you so much.